Nah.
I want to check this building
That's like...
first. See if there's people going over there.
I'm checking the dead body, okay?
Well,
Nah.
they're on the station, they're on the station.
Oh.
What do you have? What do you have?
He had a Tempest 4, which I picked up. He has other stuff, you can go for it. I only got like the first two
they're
things.
coming. I heard a... Coming back here. They have snap hooks. They're goaded, actually.
Oh man. Oh, there's two of them.
I said come back.
I didn't hear that. Oh shit. Could we like throw more smokes? Maybe?
We got one more.
Throw one more?
Yeah, we'll see where it comes. Just go. Stop
Coming
coming
away.
towards me. You're giving me away. They're looking at you.
Oh fuck. Ah fuck!
I got a shield though. Oh, fuck indeed. I got him. I got one. Am I got it or not? Knocking out. No, fuck. Oh my god.
Ooh! This could be a massive haul. Just get the right guns. Oh.
I think the shredder killed them both.
Yeah.
I heard a thud. I think they went down.
You'll know if they call for it. I think they called for it.
Yeah, they called for it.
Yeah, just don't let them get away. Don't let them get away.
Oh shit.
One of them died. Did you see him?
Yes.
I saw his body behind.
So get.
I'm looking. I can see if they drop in.
Survivor, Canada. I think I gotta leave, I'm full.
Yeah. What guns did he have? Did he have anything?
Canada, 2 survivors, Renegade, all attachments. I could.
Ah.
I know the smokes. This guy had small smokes.
Just leave.
Yeah, they're walking around here.